everyone! Welcome to another episode and we are here now in Silang, Cavite para i-present sa inyo ang farm lot na ito. So, pwede kayong mag-avail at least 500 to 1,000 square meter. So, ito yung pinakang property.
This property is located in Silang, Cavite, near to Amadeo and Tagaytay. So expect nyo na ang cold weather dito. As you can see, meron na rin dito na barangay concrete road. So ang frontage ng mga property nyo is at least 40 meters from the road. Payment is through in-house financing. For your retirement, farm rest house, glamping site business, restaurant and cafe, this is all for you.
The total property is 2.9 hectares but available units is 1 hectare na lang. So, yun na lang yung avail, 10,000 square meters or 13 units left. So, avail na kayo ng farm. So, sa lahat ng gustong mag-invest dito sa farm lot property dito sa Silang, yan. So, 30% down payment, no interest. So, we have 1 hectare or 10,000 square meters available. So, hurry because few units left. So, ito ang mga property. Yan. Yan. So, lahat ng gustong mag-inquire na. Bye!